So in this question, we're looking at this video, sorry, we're going to look at some CSEC type, just two CSEC type questions on percentages or where percentages were used. So in color here, we have the question. A test was marked out of 80. A boy scored 60% of the marks on the test. How many marks did he score? So the maximum amount of marks he could have obtained in the test was the 80, right? So that's what I wrote here. If the boy scored 60%, and to find out how many marks he scored, we need to find 60% of 80. You need to remember that of in maths means multiply. So 60%, so 60 over 100, change it to that fraction, multiply by 80 over 1. You can cancel zeros, 0 cancel here, so remain with 6 by 8 over 1 by 1, 48 marks. And that's it. Look how simple, right? Very simple. Now let's look at this other question. There are 40 students in a class. So let's just underline that, 40 students in the class. Girls make up 60%. So girls make up 60% of the class. 25% wear glasses. So 25% of the girls glasses, right? So just boxing that off so we know that those things together. So first of all, we know that the total in the class, so the total students in the class is 40, right? Girls make up 60% of that. So the girls will be equal to 60% of that 40, of the total. So let's find out how much we have girls we have. So that's 60 over 100. Of means multiply by 40 over 1. Cancel the 0, 0 cancel here, 0 cancel here. A 0 cancel here and a 0 cancel here. So we remain with 6 by 4 over 1 by 1. So that's just 24. Right? So that's 24 girls we have in the class. Now out of that 24 girls, they said that 25%, so 25% of the girls wear glasses. So that means that find 25%, 25 over 100, multiply by the number of girls, 24 over 1. And then I simplify, 25 can go into 25 one time, 25 can go into 100 4 times. Then we could say 4 into 4, 1, and 4 could go into 24 6 times. So remain with, when you simplify and multiply, 6 girls wear glasses. So again, this was very simple. In these kind of types of question, worded problems, underline the information they give you, box it off, right? So you know, okay, this is the information I have, this is what I want to find, right? So very simple question.